I promise I'll get you home to your grandpa, Lily. Oh boy, we're going through. Little engines can do big things. It is dark and cold and bumpy, but I'm not afraid. Looks like Mr. Conductor was right after all. I can puff along this line. Oh, there's the missing coal truck.
Stoke up the magic in the mountain. That's part of Mr. Conductor's clue.
That's what you do with coal. Stoke it up to make steam. If that's part of finding the source, we'd best take it along. We're going back for that coal truck.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
Oh, hang on, Lily! Lily, where are we?
Muffle Mountain, Thomas, we made it!
It's beautiful. Oh, cinders and ashes! The bridge is gone! Oh no! I can't move! My wheels won't let me!
We must have run out of gold dust.
Lily, where are you going?
I must find Grandpa. I promise we'll come to get you, Thomas. I'll be back.
It's getting windy up here!
Say boom!
Oh, bust my boiler! I've left the coal truck behind. Stop, wheels, stop! Oh, please! We don't have to keep doing this. No, I can't come off the tracks. No, there's nobody here. Stop, stop! Oh. Ouch.
Lily, you're back?
Yes, where's Grandpa?
Come with me.
I can't figure it out. For years, I've tried to fix you, lady. I've tried all the different coals in the valley, and nothing makes her steam. My granddaughter is missing. Will you take her away from me, too?
Huh? Who are you? Whoa. Whoa, be careful. Ooh. Whew. Thank you for helping me. Where do I go from here? I still can't... Where am I?
You can hear me. I didn't know other engines could find me here.
Bust my buffers. Are you the lost engine? Oh boy, this isn't gonna be fun.
If only that talking tumbleweed followed us here. He's got the jokes.
Oh, jokes! That would make it way easier.
Yeah, and funnier.
Hey, boss, you in there? Whoa,
Whoa, hey!
Splatter and dodge. Nice to finally meet you. What do you want, big green puffball?
Where's the boss? We only talk to him.
You'll speak to us if you want to stay on the rails, that is.
Thomas, we must save Mr. Conductor. But how?
We need you to come to Sodor.
Not that part. Burnett has tried for years to repair me, so I could run again, but he can't find the right coal. Sodor coal is what I need, but it isn't mined anymore.
But it is, lady. I have a truck full of Sodor coal down the line.
I haven't seen Mr. Conductor for a long time. He said one day he'd return. Quick, Thomas, you must fetch the coal. Follow the sentry engine. He'll guide you to where I'm hiding in the mountain. Go now.
Whoa! So, I just follow you?
What a strange blue engine. Looks like a toy. I have to see this up close.
Do you two even realize what Diesel 10 is doing, besides wreaking havoc everywhere? Using up fuel?
Well, that's what we do, too.
A freeloaders.
True.
Focus! The engine you all are after. If she's destroyed...
Language!
Stop saying that word! Diesel 10 uses it all the time!
It's disgraceful.
If she's damaged, or gotten rid of, it will end the rest of us engines, including you.
Using a D word to replace another D word.
Not much better.
Uncreative.
The lost engine isn't just some whimsical idea. She's the only reason we exist like this at all. Diesel 10 doesn't realize what he's after, and what it could do to him. Are you just going to let him ruin everything?
Oh, man.
Wow. This is where the lost engine must be hiding. I hope I can find her. I've come a long way with this special Sodor coal. Ow! Okay, I'm going.
Grandpa!
Lily, I'm so glad to see you. I thought you were lost.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be late.
I'm just glad you're safe.
Who's this?
This is Lady. She's a very special engine.
Lady, this is the lost engine from long ago. We can save Mr. Conductor and Junior.
Mr. Conductor?
He's very sick, and his cousin Junior is in danger.
Wait, the lost engine, Lady. Mr. Conductor told me before, she is the source of their gold dust. If she doesn't run for long enough, the supply runs out.
Yes, Mr. Conductor can't sparkle in and out, and he can't look after the engines.
This is serious. I can't fail the Conductor family. Not this time.
You have lots of coal here.
Yes, but none of them work. Lady needs a special coal, but I don't know where to get it.
Excuse me? Have you tried Sodor coal?
I'm sorry, cuz. Sorry, Lily. Sorry I haven't been whatever it is, responsible, reliable, and really useful, but I will be! I will be! James!
Who are you?
See, Junior. No worries. I'll have us out of here.
Ah! So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes!
Oh no, it's empty.
Here we go! Junior, what are we gonna do?
We'll figure something.
That's it!
Can I take this bit back for Grandpa?
Sure, but it gets lost easily. I'll take care of it for you. I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. But if I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready? No, we're not. Give it up, Crimson Tide. You puffballs had a good run, but it's the end of the line now. We Diesels are the future. We are here to save the railways. You're wrong. We may not be as new and fancy as you, But we steam engines are strong, and we're really useful. And red is not a tiring color. What are you talking about?
James the Brains, get us out of here!
Whoa, bust my boiler! What the?
Yahoo!
Hoo-yah! How did we do that?
A conductor never reveals his timetable.
I don't know if I believe what just happened. Mr. Conductor, you're alive! Yes, James, I am. You don't look so good. Should I go for help? Well, I could really go for some cocoa. I'm going to fetch the other engines. Don't go anywhere.
Sorry I've been so long, cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. We're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we're not down.
Did Grandma love Lady as much as you did? Did she take a ride on her?
Grandma loved her because I loved her. And I've spent all these years in self-pity because of what happened. But we did get to take a ride on Lady together, like we always dreamed as children. But ever since that day I lost her, I couldn't get over the past. So I shut out tomorrow.
Grandpa, don't shut out today, too.